Samsung's next big thing is literally getting bigger. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just a yearly refresh, it's a bold refinement of Samsung's Ultra legacy. And today, we've got our most reliable proof yet that the design is evolving. For weeks, there have been whispers about a size increase. But now, thanks to a fresh leak from none other than Ice Universe, we're looking at a side-by-side image that reveals exactly how much bigger the Galaxy S26 Ultra is getting over the S25 Ultra. And it's not just a rumor, it's a visual comparison, a very telling one. Let's talk numbers. The Galaxy S25 Ultra already boasts a massive 6.86-inch display, and that's no small canvas. But Samsung is reportedly bumping that up slightly to 6.89 inches on the S26 Ultra. On paper, a marginal jump. In reality, a lot more significant, especially when you consider what Samsung's doing under the glass. This upgrade isn't just about size, it's about tech. Samsung's new ultra-thin display assembly, which debuted on the Galaxy Z Flip 7, allows for even slimmer bezels, tighter layering, and better panel integration. So while the screen gets larger, the body, it might barely change. That means more screen, less bulk, and a device that feels incredibly refined in the hand. Ice Universe, posting on WBO, shared another critical detail: a subtle but noticeable increase in both height and width. To be exact, the S25 Ultra measures 162.8 millimeters tall and 77.6 millimeters wide. While we don't have the precise S26 Ultra dimensions just yet, this leak visually confirms the difference, especially when you overlay the two models. The height increase is obvious, the width more subtle, but it's there. From a distance, the design might seem identical. But once it's in your hand, you'll feel it. That refined balance, that modern edge. Samsung isn't just chasing aesthetics, they're chasing presence. Every generation of the Ultra series has fine-tuned its design language, from the bulky ambition of the S20 Ultra to the squared refinement of the S23 and S24 Ultra. The S26 Ultra is shaping up to be the next evolution. This slight increase in size could be about more than just screen real estate. It could signal changes in internal layout, battery improvements, cooling efficiency, or even camera module spacing. Samsung plays the long game, and every millimeter counts. Now here's where it gets exciting. If Samsung sticks to its usual launch schedule, we're looking at official renders within the next 2 months and a full reveal in about 6. This size upgrade, it's just the first move. Expect more leaks, more surprises, and likely a few jaw-droppers before the curtain lifts on the S26 Ultra. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just getting bigger, it's getting smarter, sleeker, and more ambitious. And we'll be covering every single development, every exclusive leak, and every hidden detail right here. So if you're as obsessed with Ultra as we are, hit that like button, subscribe, and join the ride. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.